What is up, everybody? Okay, so today we're gonna go and we're gonna have a look at the new Businesswear 13 pack from Reallusion, and we're gonna have a look at what you can do with it. Now, we're gonna cover just one or two items here, and we're gonna create something cool like this. Okay, so this is called Businesswear 13. It's pretty expensive, but you always need a good wardrobe, and you can have a lot of different morphs on this, things to help you out really quickly, just to get them fitting or getting the kind of look that you want, and it's pretty cool. So take a look at it, see if it's something that is you could use. There's a good amount of items in there to get a lot of different looks, and if you get the whole thing, you get like an accessory pack. So here's a couple of the clothes showing you what you can do. Open collars, open this, whatever. Change. They come with a lot of different materials and textures. Remember, all of these work with what is it called? Fashion Gen. So you can make infinite textures for these clothes. You get the color IDs. You get whatever you want. These are the pants, the dresses. Now remember, you can always have these dynamics, so they're working with your animation, and they're looking pretty cute. So, I mean, I like it. I always need wardrobes, and they always do a pretty good job with these. So, this is kind of all the clothes together. There's aprons, and there's a ton of accessories. You get. If you get the whole pack, you get all of these accessories, hats, and this, and tags, and whatever the hell you want. Scarves, ties, all this kind of crap, scrub stuff, whatever. And it's pretty cool. So, this is what you can do. These are all the clothes. And let's create something pretty cool now using the jacket or the overcoat. And here we go. In this case, I'm going to be using it as a still image and just show off the kind of coolness or power that you can do with it. I'm using the jacket here and the pants and the waistcoat, and from there straight into ZBrush, and I start sculpting this thing. Now, I use the cloth brush here, and I absolutely love it. And over here, man, you can just create the most coolest little things, man. So I put it together, I sculpted it. Now look, I had an issue. There was an issue with my scene. I couldn't bring it back into CC. I kept on crashing. So what I had to do is I had to export the OBJ and just import it and bring it in as its own mesh. But this has always worked for me. I don't know what's up. I've raised it with CC. Let's see. Anyway, so I brought it in. I haven't put on the textures yet. That's very easy. You just load up the vest and you copy and paste all the textures back into this one. Over here I'm using like this expression pack, which I love. It's like animations. It's called Soul Pack or something. It's awesome. And I just struck a cool pose with it. Put some hair on it. And this is from a different hair pack, which is pretty cool. And I put him on a little stand. This is from the props pack. I think it's free. I'm not too sure. But it's a cool little stand. Kind of like a figurine. And this was cool, man. After this, I could light it. Put some depth of field on it. And just make something really cool looking. I love the facial expression. The thing is, you can create 2D stills or cool images or rotations or whatever you want so quickly. Look how much personality this thing has. It's ridiculous, and you seeing it like this in your viewport, I absolutely love it. Obviously this you can export to any other program, Maya, Unreal, whatever, but for this I just wanted to do a really quick still against black and just have a look at what you can do very quickly. And look at that, man. Look how cool this thing is. I want to go over, there's a bunch of cool clothes in this one. I'm going to go over this one more and more. This Soul's expression pack is great. I love it. You can just pick a pose from the face and the animation and stick with it. And look how wicked that looks. It's awesome. Changed a bit of the lighting setup, just made it a little bit more cool. And you start getting this kind of figurine look and feel to it. It's awesome. So I hope this helps. This is just a basic introduction to this business pack. They sell a lot of these kind of packs, which are pretty cool. They are expensive, but if you're looking for something that you can do a lot of different kind of looks and clothes with, once again, you've got all the morph options with these things. These things still go into that material gen or whatever, fashion gen. and you can retexture them to your heart's content. They come with all the ideas, everything. They're a cool pack, but make sure that this is something that you can use and whatnot, and create something beautiful, man. Look how wicked this thing looks. Just and literally, I think I spent about 15 minutes just creating something like this. Put the hat up in the air. There's a hat pack. I think it's free. It's called Hats or something. And man, it's just awesome. The shoes I had to use from a different pack. It doesn't come with shoes, just to let you know. It's clothes only. But yeah, check it out if it's something for you. It's pretty cool. I hope this helps. I hope it gives you a little bit of an out the box of what this is. Hope it helps and have a lovely weekend. Bye, guys.